Welcome. Today we are going to speak about the kit database section. This feature was introduced in July 2023, and the purpose is that you can define a set of seals as a kit. So I'm going to create from scratch a simple kit that is just two elements. One stock item that I will say that is an o-ring plus a rod seal. Your kit can be more than two parts, can be 20, 30 parts, or the number that you want, and it can contain stock items and non-stock items that can be machined or set up with any of the seals present on the software. So I'm going to start creating a part number from one seal that is present on the software with some changes. You can use changes or not. So I'm going to select a simple seal, like can be this one, okay. And I'm going to say that the seal is 60 per 72, 10, okay. On the variables, I can make any of the changes that I want. So, and I will say that this will be a part number. I'm not really interested if the seal is a working seal or not for demonstration, but I just want to show that any of the changes that I make here will be kept, so that when you produce the kit that you want, the kit will include the changes that are present here, okay? So after I'm happy with the changes that I made, I will create a part number, and this is done pressing this button here. PN means part number, and I will call this seal the part number that I want. I will say that it will be named Dusan ABC12, okay. I can set up a client just for this part number, or I can leave it blank like I will. That would mean that this part number can be used by any client. I can make a comment, and I can make here the price. Price is not based on any currency, so you are free to use your own currency. I will say that this costs 60. If I press accept, now this part number should be on my database. So if I go here to my kits database, on database settings, kits, so the part number here, it is here. So this means that this part number that is named like I wish, like I made the name, Dusan ABC12, is based on this profile and have a price of 60, okay. After that, I want that my kit will be this part number plus an o-ring that I'm going to create. An o-ring, normally it's a stock seal. So to make stock seals, like I press here the plus, and I will also create the o-ring as a part number. I will call it also Dusan. So I will make a kit for a Dusan machine, for example. Dusan o-ring 60 per 2.5, 3.5, 2.5. Also, I will not make it for a special client, and I will not make any comment. I will say that this o-ring costs 10. Accept. So currently, I have on the individual part numbers, I have these two elements. So I'm going to create a kit from these two elements. So if I go to kits database that is currently empty, I will create a new kit, pressing the plus. So here on the kit reference, I will say the number of the kit Dusan kit 01, for example. I will say that this is for the main engine. Machine brand optional. Since I'm creating part numbers with the Dusan name, I will create a kit for Dusan machine. And machine model, I don't know the machine models. I will create like GT 60, should be a good machine model without any client name also. So this means that this kit reference is just the definition of the kit, and I'm going to add individual part numbers to this kit. So if I press plus, I will select this. Okay, I will say that this kit will take one rod seal, so here it is, and I will say that it will use also not 21 but 2. So the kit that I am creating will have one rod seal and 2 O-rings as a total price of 80. If I press here, now I have a Dusan kit with the name and with a reference, brand name and a model. Okay. So this means that if I have the software on a shared database, all my instance of the software can see this kit and can reuse this kit wherever they want. So after the kit is ready, you just press here send, and all the elements inside the kit will be sent to the current work. If I go here to my current work, you can see that currently I have no quantity on the work that I am using. You can see that I am working for this client, okay? But if I press here on the kit, no kit is selected, okay? If I select the kit and send to work, the software is asking me if I really want to send. If I press OK, you can see now I have 2 elements on my current work. If I press here on the work section, I can see that my current work now have the rod seal and the stock items on quantity 1 and 2 as I defined it on the kit. If I want to produce this seal, I simply double click here, I press edit this profile, and I can see that the part that I'm now going to machine have as the changes that I made when I created the part number. So this is the functionality of the kits. You can define your own kits with your own prices, and the elements that are present on the kit can have individual changes so that the kit is the most similar to the original kit. And after you have the part number selected, the functionality of the software is the same as before. So this concludes the presentation of the kits.